All right, you guys, today we're at General RV Center. We're going to be taking a look at a couple new RVs. We've been looking online. You guys know we've been looking for a while, and we are moving on a wing and a prayer because we're in a process of trying to get a new truck. And I know that the 2026s are coming in, and they're going to be swapping things out and taking stuff on trade-ins. And this will be the perfect time to get the RV that we want. You know the perfect layout I'm looking for. So we saw two on here that we're going to go check out, and we want to take you guys with us. So let us know what you think. Make sure you subscribe and hit that notification bell. You never know where we might end up today. We are at General RV Center. Let's get started. Okay, you guys, he is going to get the golf cart. We're going to head out to see a couple RVs. You know the layout I am looking for, and guess what? They have it, and they have it at a great price. And with us getting ready to upgrade the truck, this may be possible. I don't know if we're going to have to stay here and hang out in the area. I don't know. We got our trade-in, so on and so forth. Our hang-up is the truck, but today we are going to be looking at RVs, and I want to show you what's available too, just in case you are getting ready for your travels as well. So let's get out here on the lot, and I will show you option number one. Okay, so the first one we're looking at, I hope it's the right layout, is the Twilight Signature. So we're going to take a look inside. Right now off the back, I can tell you I do not like those small tanks. You guys know that we have two big tanks. We need the big ones. But we're going to take a look inside. Let me know if you have this one, if you like this one. I don't know. So you're going to be weighing in at the options. So keep watching till the end. Let's go inside. All right, you guys, let's take a look. So first of all, I love the big bay window in the back. Lets in a lot of natural light. I'm not a fan of the booth, but you guys know that's going to be my studio area. So we'll pull that out. We'll put my desk and everything in there so we can make it work. Now, I can tell you that it doesn't have much counter space. And you know, I have my hot bar stuff. I won't have a place to put that. And I don't see a pantry unless it's behind the TV, which is right here, which I don't think it is. I don't think this wall moves. So no pantry. Lose some space as far as that's concerned. You got the fridge over here. This double sink, or is it a full sink? Because you guys know I hate the one sink. No, it's not for me. It's pretty. It really is. It's nice. It's nice, but it's not what I want. It's nice. It really is. I could make it work if I had to, but I would be losing my pantry and counter space. All right, next let's go into the bathroom. Leads into the bedroom. Bathroom is really small, but I mean, how much time do you need the bathroom? Just using it and keep going. Shower, I like the square. I'm not a fan of the radius shower, so that works. And then the bathroom. So the shower I'm not mad at. I don't want to talk to Cedric from the toilet, which I know that would happen. But I don't know. This one, we gained the booth, but we're definitely giving up some space. The bed looks pretty big. I like that. And then they have the door. But I don't know. Let me know what you guys think. It's nice. It's nice. It's in the budget as far as our trade-in and all that stuff, but no, I don't think this is it for me. But I don't know. Let me know what you guys think. You might have some ideas. Be like, Erica, you could do this. You could do that. We do this. We have that camper. This is what we do. Let me know in the comment section. But for right now, we're going to move on to the next one.
Not having that knowledge.
On to the next one.
Listening to other, I guess.
Okay, the next one is the Alpha Wolf. and it has opposing slides. So Cedric is checking out the stuff that he likes on the outside, which is on the other side. We got the garage. It looks like it's a pass-through. The other one is slightly different than this one. So we're going to take a look inside. Let me know if you have this one, what you like about it, what you don't like about it. Erica, don't do it. Erica, get it. Let me know. Comments below. Let's get inside. Right. So we got our garage here. Woo. Oh my goodness. We can fit Cedric in here if he acts up. Put a little sleeping bag in there. All right. That's a great garage. All right. So he's all already hollering. This is it. So I'll be the judge of that. Yes. And I don't have to rip out the booth. The table comes right out. Okay. This is perfect. That could come right out. We got the couch. I could put the kennels right here so they have a permanent bed. We can do an L-shaped desk. Kennels here. Here it comes. Got a bed. Got the TV. Got a fireplace.
Now is this
thermal? Pantry! Oh my goodness. My high bar. Sink. Oh my goodness. I am loving this. Let me take you up close.
A solid surface, so there's no floor vents.
Okay, you guys, microwave up top, hot bar. You guys know we have so many coffee pots and teapots and all that stuff. Hot bar, just what I wanted. The sink in the island. We got a killer pantry. I am loving that. The kitchen, and then we with the top. We have lots of counter space. The only thing is this one sink or two?
It is one farm sink.
It's one sink. It's okay. We'll live. It has everything else. I prefer to have two sinks because when you wash dishes and then you want to rinse, you don't have to let the water out to do it. But I am not complaining. Mike has done his thing, okay? If you come over here to General RV, Mike is the guy. Mike White. So I don't want you to just get any mic.
No, not any mic.
Just, oh my goodness. And then they have the TV, which we have plenty of those, more than we probably need, and a fireplace. That is fantastic.
Perfect for
this is what I'm talking about. This is a one-bedroom house on wheels, you guys. I'm not quite sure what happened up here, like why these are missing, but I'm sure you could probably switch them out, put something else. This has whatever this is, and this is missing out of here. But that's okay. We'll just reflect it in the price. That's okay. That's cosmetic. That's cosmetic. We can take care of that. Yeah, but I am loving that bar. That's fantastic. And storage under here. So that works out well. That's where the air fryer can go. The crock pot can go. The rice cooker can go in there. And I love that the microwave is up here. So that's perfect. And then some more storage. All right, you guys. I think we have a really, really great contender. All right. So bathroom. There's Noodle Doodle. Now, the radio shower, I can do without that round circle. It takes up a lot of space. I prefer the square. But, you know, that's totally fine. We've had one in every camper. So we're not going to cry about that. We have wonderful, wonderful cabinet space here.
Linen space?
Yes. And so you know the drawback, when you get everything you want, you don't get everything you want. So we're looking at the bedroom, which is definitely tight. And the storage for clothes, you know, that's always been an issue for me with my shoes and clothes and stuff. But hey,
it is a great space. I don't think that we would spend a lot of time in here anyways, especially given that the living room area is
so much bigger. And we can still walk around it because he's standing on his side. I can stand on my side. It'll be easy to make up the bed. Honey, open the closet. Let's take a look at that closet. All right, so the closet is still unimpressive. We'll still shove clothes in there.
What I like about this, though, is that it's not as high as the one that we currently have because it's so high in the ceiling, it makes it hard to access these things. But if you fold clothes or either hang clothes, this is actually perfect height. And I don't know if you guys can see that on camera, but in the kitchen, what you would call the coffee bar area, that is pretty large.
It is.
So if you have large appliances and stuff like that, this is
what about under the bed? Is there under the bed storage, like place for shoes and linen? And yes, that's pretty decent. We can make that work. All right, you guys. I'm excited. Let me know what you guys think about option number 2. Comments below. I like this. I didn't think I would. I was thinking, oh, Mike, he's bringing us to something else I don't want. But he was right. This is pretty awesome. All right, let's go see the one we came to go see. And then we'll go from there. Okay, you guys, we have to make a brief stop. You know my husband, the RV nerd. He is checking out this bad boy, which will be at the RV show. So I'm sure I'll get a chance to check it out. But he was fanboying. It's so nice to see him happy and looking at stuff that I know he watch all the time on YouTube. So I'm glad he's getting a chance to enjoy himself and see something he likes. All right, you guys, the last one is going to be the hideout. And it had the layout that I want, but I don't know, that Arctic, it was pretty cool. So we're gonna take a look at this one. Let me know which one you like. Comment below. And also, if you have a hideout, let me know the good, the bad, the ugly. Don't do it, Erica, or the yes, pull the trigger, Erica. But here we go. We're going inside. First things first, Honey's garage. It's not bad. The other one was much wider, but not bad. Okay, he's getting ready to move it out for us so we can take a look at it. A lot going on here. All right. Here we go.
I ain't gonna give him directions. He knows what he's doing. This guy does about 100 miles an hour every day.
So far, I really like the big bay window in the back. He's getting ready to let the slides out. They pulled this thing out. It was super cool to see him do it. And then we'll go inside and take a look. My only drawback is this thing is really long. Where the Arctic, the Wolf one, it was kind of smaller. It was 30 from bumper to toe. And I like that. So let's get inside. All right, let's check this out. First things first, love the wide stairs. All right, so let's go inside. Oh, yes. Oh, my goodness, you guys. I love it. The island is much bigger in this one. Much bigger island. And let's see, double sink or one. Nope, just one big farm sink. I'm not mad about that. I still have my hot bar. It's a little bit smaller, but I love it. So the trade-off is smaller hot bar, but a bigger island. And then here's the pantry. All right, love the pantry.
Now,
Love the pantry.
I see with this area versus the other one is the chairs are better. But it has that booth.
Yes, the table and chairs in the other one.
Yeah, this table and chairs. But
This one is the booth.
This is a lot of space if you take that out.
Yes, yes.
This seems more entertainment, like light switches right here, so everything is conveniently,
I love that big bay window.
I like the tall slide that you can stand in, and that's pretty good too.
The sink is just one big one, but that's okay. I like the sink in the island. And then you got more counter space, so the sink doesn't take up the majority of the island space. And look at these drawers. Oh my goodness.
Very large television.
And then you got the the fridge and the freezer.
That opens from both sides.
That is super cool. This thing is going wonky. Usually it does that when it's about to die. So I like that. I am loving the stove. And it's a 3-burner stove, just like they normally are. But I am happy about that. I love it.
Oh, they blocked this side off. It's a fridge that opens from both ways.
And so there's no cabinet space behind the TV. It's just, it is what it is. And I'm not mad about that.
It's dead space.
And then you got the fireplace, which I love. We didn't lose that. I love that. Love the couch, which I'm assuming, baby, is this a sofa? A bed too?
Yes, I'm sure it is.
And then the floor space. Good walking space.
This pantry is nice.
I know, right? Good walking space.
I like the location of it.
It's long, but it's a 1-bedroom house, which is what we said we've been wanting.
Oh, this is your square private bathroom.
That is what I wanted. Let's see. We could put the rice cooker, the crock pot, and all those things in there. Our appliances. The only thing that had to be up there is the coffee pot, the hot bar stuff. So I'm loving that. And you got the cabinet up top. All right, let's go in the bathroom. Oh my goodness. I love the bathroom. Oh, so you can't get to the room from the bathroom, which is fine because if you have people coming, you don't want them venturing into your room and come and use the bathroom. And it's square. I love that. I love the square. I mean, it's a bathroom. It works. So I'm not mad at it. It would have been nice to be able to get to it from my room, but I can't do that now, so it's okay. Now the bedroom. I love it. Definitely want another mattress, that's for sure. And then the tall. Oh, that is awesome. Blankets, sheets, shoes. I love that the wardrobes on the side are tall.
And the stairs are already here for the dogs.
Yes. See if Noodle can get up there. Put him down to see if he'll go up there. And then I don't like the openness of the thing over the bed, but you know, you can get some baskets. I've seen people do it. And then the closet. You got the closet here, which is a long one. Noodle. Okay, and then the closet. And then the closet. And then the TV, so it could go on the wall. I like that. And then this one. Nice, and fold up a lot of clothes and put it in there. Which ones do you guys like? I love it. It's long though. That's the only drawback for it. It's really long, but it's home. It has a lot of the things that I love and I wanted. It's the layout I wanted. Sorry about that, guys. Ran out of memory. So let me know what you like. Hooked on something. Let me know which one you like. This one is a go for me. I absolutely love it. It is willing to negotiate and put in our price range. Now's the time to be looking. Let me know what you guys think. Oh my goodness, I'm so excited. So let me know in the comments, and we're gonna keep going. And make sure you subscribe. Make sure you hit that notification bell. Make sure you leave a comment. Let me know, do you like option 1, option 2, or option 3? All right, see you in the next video.